me today of the specs of that PC, which is going to be really high end.
Yep, hopefully we'll be getting some pics of it. I'm actually looking at it.
I'm looking at it right now. It looks so beautiful.
Is it the graphics card on top of it?
Yes, it is. It's holding on for dear life.
Edge, dude. That's just giving me anxiety.
It's good. It's fine. Does the H510 have good airflow, or should I save up for the 4000D? Well, this case definitely has better airflow than the H510. Nice, like, ventilated front. So.
This is the airflow version, though, which I think isn't there like a normal one that's glass in the front?
Yeah, not the Crocs, dude. This is the attire of entrepreneurs everywhere. All right, Crocs. Here we go.
Precisely.
Let's see. How much for an i7 3770?
3770. Like the whole system or just the processor?
If you're just talking just the processor, I mean, those things probably go for way more than they're worth, if I'm being perfectly honest. Like i7s, for some reason, really retain their value. I know, like i5 2400, you can get for like 40 or 50 bucks. 3770, you're probably looking at $80, but even then, that's like really expensive.
Isn't this the one that the front comes off with? Oh, wait, just the front.
Like
just the front.
That's the one I think you keep getting confused.
Yeah, and I almost like break the front off every time. I'm sorry about that, guys. When did I just go dick over it?
You just go dick over it. That's not it.
What's up, Zero? What's up, booty hole?
Yo, what's up, booty hole? How you doing, man?
Yo, how's that booty hole?
How that booty hole doing?
How did Twitch let you have such a name?
So basically, we're saying we're not really toasty bros.
I love the community here, y'all. Helps my questions as I'm fairly new to PCs. Want to build one soon? Well, hey, hope you have a good journey on building your first PC. I promise it won't be too bad.
Don't break the GPU. That's the most expensive thing to replace right now.
That is true. Don't break the GPU or the CPU or the motherboard. Just really don't break anything if you can help it.
If you had to break something, break the
hard drive.
Hard drive, sure. If you have a hard drive.
If you have one job, you hobbit.
Did we get Starbies this morning?
No, we did not.
I don't know. Who are you anymore? We don't sit on the couch anymore and you just don't get Starbies?
I know. Things just aren't. Things will never be the same. It's just the way it is.
Smack. Let's see. Quick subscribe. Yes, subscribe. Hurry. Quick.
Do it now.
Limited time offer. 10 years of good luck. PC specs for the new viewers. You're talking about this PC? 3060, RTX 3060. Ryzen 7 5800X. X570 motherboard. 32 gigs of 3200 megahertz RAM. A 512 gig SSD, but a 1.5 terabyte hard drive. Let's see, hammer.
It's not.
So I have a question. My computer was running fine. Moved the mouse to wake it up. Monitor shows no signal. Haven't touched anything else. Does it mean my graphics card gave up? Have you restarted the PC yet?
No, dude, you're done.
PC ideas around a 3060 GPU. I got a capture card without a bottleneck. Prefer AMD 5600X. If you don't want a bottleneck, that would be the go-to.
Like everybody knows that.
Duh.
I'm pretty sure it's just like common knowledge.
Duh. We're doing a lot of PC builds now live. Pretty much every stream is going to be a PC build, so we can build PCs to sell on the website.
Plus, we figured you guys like watching builds live. So
I mean, like, just tell me in chat. Would you rather see PC build or us sit on the couch talk about food? And if you say the second one, I'm just going to ignore you because I really am tired of sitting on the couch talking about food.
We can talk about food here.
Yeah, we can talk about food all day, every day.
Wendy's and all these other places, dude. It was a good day.
Lego builds. Y'all miss Lego builds?
Lego builds were fun.
Yeah,
I think we can definitely revisit.
We can revisit some Legos. We got two people saying Lego builds. They miss the Lego builds.
That's that G-lie, B-lie.
Oh, we're just going to run with the gut instinct here.
I'm going to give it the
hard drive LED?
We're going to give it the Guma Rat special.
Yeah.
But no, behind the camera we literally just have like a cart that has a monitor and the laptop on it that we're streaming from. Jackson, play Overwatch. I have been playing Overwatch. I'm actually playing ranked now, and I don't think I'm very good.
Ranked is where Overwatch gets bad.
Dude, I think I'm at like 1600 something SR, which I think is like silver.
Nice.
I thought I'd actually get a pretty high.
It'll be fun when we're all playing together.
It will be, yeah. We can be toxic with each other.
The higher you get in Overwatch, the worse it gets. But I don't have to deal with some toxic kids.
There's been times too where we've won the Young Shuffle once or twice.
Oh yeah, we never claimed
forgot
them.
to claim it.
Like that has happened.
So that's another reason why we're just like, okay, we don't deserve.
We don't deserve
this
it.
Stuff.
Basically, what we're saying is we struggle to live our
function.
lives.
We struggle to do day-to-day activities.